In a previous video, I used this fan to clean out some fans on my 3D printer here, and I didn't hold the fan in place. I allowed it to spin freely as I was cleaning them, and I got a lot of comments about it. There were two main reasons that came from the comments. One was mechanical. You could cause undue wear and tear and shorten the life of your fan. And in a worst case scenario, if you're going fast enough, you could just explode those fan blades due to the centrifugal force just tearing that thing apart. The second was electrical. If you run a DC fan externally, you're actually causing a voltage on the other side on the leads. And so basically people are concerned with the PCBs on the other side of the fan getting damaged, which both of those can be valid concerns in certain situations depending on how they've designed the printer. And so let's find out today if blowing on these fans can actually cause any real harm to your printer. And so I span these at full speed on the blower and let them spin up until they appeared to not spin any faster, and then left them for what I felt like was a reasonable test period. Now that I'm done with the counterclockwise, here's the clockwise test. And here's the 3D printer powering the fan. It appears to be operating just fine. Now for the hot end fan, same thing, a test in both directions. And again, here's the printer powering the fan with no issues. I guess these things aren't quite as fragile as people think they are. If you want to see me try this with compressed air, which I think will really make these fans rip, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.